Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I just wanted to try something. I wanted to see what would happen if you factory reset a iCloud bypass device and if it would still be bypassed if you did that. And the reason I'm doing this is because I got a comment yesterday asking if the cellular would start to work if you factory reset a iCloud bypass device. So we'll go ahead and do that. So this is one of the iCloud bypass devices I have, and as you can see, it does say that it has LTE. Doesn't have the carrier information here, and it has the 2 bars. So we know that it's getting something, but it will not load anything here. Well, it probably loaded that from memory. Let's try another one here. Yeah, so there you go. So it's not going to load anything. It also will not let you make a call. Okay. And I think the reason that it's popping up like this is because during setup, it'll still show LTE even without service. So let's go ahead and go in here, and we'll go to General, go all the way down here to Reset, and we're gonna erase all content settings and see what happens. All right, erase iPhone. Okay. Okay, so the phone has rebooted after being reset, and we're now back at this hello screen. So let's go ahead and go through here. All right, and as you can see, the cellular does have a signal and does have LTE here. So I'll hit United States, set up manually. We'll connect to my Wi-Fi here. So it's now connected to Wi-Fi. It's gonna go ahead and try to activate the phone. Okay, and here we are. So it says it is linked to an Apple ID, and the Apple ID and password we're used to set up this phone is this. So it is activation locked again. So basically what happens when you reset the device, it will reset it and it will be activation locked once again. So then you'll have to redo the iCloud bypass. So hopefully this answers the question, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you want to see more like this, please subscribe. See you guys in the next video.